Ever wonder why some homes look amazing at Christmas and others don't? It mostly comes down to professional lighting. Christmas is the busiest time for lighting experts and also their biggest opportunity. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start and run a successful lighting installation business, from planning and sourcing materials to keeping your clients happy. So, is it worth it? Let's break it down. On the plus side, demand is high and many clients come back year after year. The work is creative and super visible. You get to design the lights and everyone can see your results. That visibility means referrals are easier and it's perfect for showing off your projects on a website or social media. And remember, it doesn't have to stop at Christmas. You could also do year-round stuff like landscape lighting or outdoor decor. On the downside, income is seasonal, so you have to plan ahead. Weather can mess up schedules, the work can be physically demanding, and you need to invest in lights and tools up front. Plus, installations have to be finished before the holidays, so things can get tight. Now that you understand the ups and downs, the next step is getting prepared. Good planning is what keeps the busy season running smoothly. Start by looking at your local market. Check who is already offering lighting installation in your area. Notice what they charge, the services they provide, and how they present their work. Then take a look at how many people are putting up their own decorations. Many of them could become your clients if they want a more polished look. After that, figure out how many clients you can realistically take on and what materials you will need. Measure each property or use clear photos to estimate lights, extension cords, clips, and timers. Make sure you have the right tools and safety gear ready, including ladders, harnesses, gloves, and voltage testers. It also helps to plan your full schedule, including when you will return to remove decorations after the holidays. When everything is organized ahead of time, you avoid last-minute problems and keep your clients happy. Another important step is making sure your business is set up the right way. Even if you're starting on your own, having the proper licenses and permits shows clients you're serious and trustworthy. Depending on where you live, you might need an electrician's license or a specific permit for installing lighting systems. You should also officially register your business. Whether you choose an LLC, a sole proprietorship, or something else, it helps protect you personally and lets you operate the right way. And don't forget insurance. Liability coverage is key because it protects you if something goes wrong during an installation. Now let's talk about getting clients. Marketing is the most important part of running a successful lighting installation business, even if you're just starting out on your own. You need to let people know about your services, and the way you present yourself can make a big difference. Clear communication and high-quality work will build your reputation, but reaching new clients requires a plan. Using tools like IKOL can also make running your business a lot easier. It helps you set up a clean, professional website where you can show your projects, let clients book appointments, and handle payments. It keeps your schedule organized, stores client details, and even sends reminders for installations and takedowns. Think of it as a digital helper that takes care of the busy work so you can focus on doing the actual lighting. Social media is another key part of marketing. Share photos of your projects, post updates, and engage with your community. Talk with neighbors, reach out to friends, and join local groups or forums to spread the word. By combining high-quality work, organized scheduling, and proactive marketing, you can attract clients, build trust, and grow your business year after year. Running a lighting installation business can be simple if you focus on what matters most. Use quality equipment, plan your schedule carefully, and get deposits to protect your work. Avoid relying on customers' lights and keep everything organized with the right tools. Communicate clearly, deliver great results, and even as a seasonal or side job, your business can grow and attract loyal customers. IKOL, AI for Business.